Morning guys, another video here from Adam of POTN, and this time we've just had a brand new product arrive here in the warehouse, so we thought we'd quickly take it out, open it up and have a look at what you're getting. So this is the Odinsus, which is basically air suspension from Airex. It's a new sub-brand coming at a better value, making it a bit easier to get your car sorted on air ride. So we thought we'd take it up and open it up, and then we can get it out and have a look at what you're getting and go into a bit more detail about the product. So let's get started. So this kit's actually going to be for a Fiat 500. It's going to look amazing. We can't wait to see it. So it comes nicely in some compartment boxes, basically, to provide extra protection. So let's have a look here. So it comes with some nice detailed instructions, actually, with images of the setup and also kind of all your warranty, etc., and the paperwork there, which is nice and easy to look at. So I've got one of the rear shock absorbers here. You can see the threaded adjustment on the body there on this monotube damper. Comes with a nice dust cover seal, giving you quite a bit of protection, and then it's got some clicks of adjustment there, 12 clicks on the damper. And that's quite nice. I like the fact it kind of comes in that typical Airex body colour, but this time with the Odinsus. I really like the brand. I'm a bit of a Norway fan, so I'm loving the Odin side of things. And again, just kind of holding the product there, you can feel that it's really well built. I love all the different clicks and the adjustment. It just feels like a great product just handling it, you know. Cool, so it comes with a bellow spring bag, nice and reliable. This is generally the industry standard now. The reason is that it just gives you such great protection, a good quality bag, a lot of strength and durability there, and then it comes with the 1/4 inch airlines there, which again, pretty much standard, so you can use it on so many different management platforms. So if you was going to partner with Airex itself, or if you was going to partner with Airlift, you'd have no issues at all. So I guess the biggest selling point of Odin Air suspension is basically the price range. So this kit here was 1800 RRP, which is a bargain, and it ranges up to like the 2.5 mark for your higher end cars. So 1800 to 2,500 pound for an air kit is incredible, and then you'll just partner with whatever air management that you want. Again, lovely quality, got all the adjustments here, brackets included, the bellow airbag there, just ignoring the tape, just keeping it extra protection in transit there. So again, this is the Fiat 500 Odinsus air suspension there. We've got the front dampers, the rear dampers and the springs there, the air springs that is. This is the complete kit. Let's give you a bit of a rundown on why, again, that you'd want this. £1,800 RRP. I can't get over how cheap that is for an air kit, and with it such a great value because the quality is there as well. You're not missing out. If you didn't know, like I mentioned, it's a sub-brand of Airex. Airex comes on some of the biggest Liberty Walk cars that they've done. So we've seen this on Supras, we've seen this on GTRs, we've seen this on all sorts now. So to have that sort of quality coming onto the Odinsus side of things, great. It means it's so much more accessible, which means you can get air on your everyday cars. You get 12 clicks of adjustment there. You get the bellowed springs, or the bellowed air springs, which is giving you that extra durability. You've got the threaded adjustment on the dampers themselves. It doesn't come with top mounts, you'd use your original top mounts. This isn't an issue. I love the fact it comes with OE top mounts. It means it keeps some of that standard feel of the car in terms of ride quality. So there's no massive juddering. It's quite a comfortable ride, especially with all the extra adjustment that you get in the clicks of the damping there. Again, the price point, we've talked about it loads, but £1,800. Again, I really can't get over it, how good a bargain that is for the quality of product that you're getting. Partnering this with something with Airlift, you know, you'd be looking like 3.5 grand for a complete car setup with with someone like us at felgenworks.co.uk, we offer Klarna payments on there, so you could put that across 36 months and make it so cheap you could have your car sorted for the summer season nicely, and probably partner with some wheels as well without breaking the bank. Odinsus is coming out with a huge car range, so make sure you head over to felgenworks.co.uk and check it out. And if you can't see the vehicle that you're looking for, drop us a message. There's pretty much every car now that we handle with some sort of air suspension, whether that's this Odinsus, whether it's Prasi air suspension, whether it's AirX, or whether it's even airlift. So please do get in contact if you've got any questions. And of course, if there is anything that you guys want to know, then drop us a little comment in the section below. Please do like and subscribe. It's really helping with our unboxing videos. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your own suspension.